Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by making sure the app is current and you're signed in. This avoids permission conflicts. Once done, grant camera and microphone if prompted because Snapchat ties notifications to account activity. Now open your profile and tap the gear icon to access settings. This is where notification controls live. Make sure you complete those immediate steps so the app can present notification options. Doing this prevents surprises later and prepares you to change notification preferences quickly. Next, go to Settings and choose Notifications. This screen lists types like chat, stories, mentions, and Snap alerts. You'll toggle each type on or off depending on what you want to receive, because granular control reduces noise and preserves important alerts. Once you toggle, make sure to tap any sub-options such as sounds, vibration, or in-app banners to customize how you notice them. This middle step configures the behavior and format of alerts, so notifications match your priorities. Finally, verify your phone's system notification settings for Snapchat. Open OS settings, find notifications, and enable Allow Notifications plus lock screen and banners if you want visible alerts. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb is off for times you expect messages. If notifications still fail, clear Snapchat's cache in settings or reinstall the app to refresh permissions. This often resolves stubborn bugs. If that fails, sign out and back in to re-establish the notification handshake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.